It has almost become the norm in Mumbai's public hospitals. Patients going in for surgery are made to undergo an HIV test. But few know that this is a violation of guidelines laid down by the National AIDS Control Organization. The guidelines do not allow random HIV testing, and that too without specific informed consent and counseling.
Sandhya Mayekar went to Mumbai's KEM Municipal Hospital for ear surgery. But to her surprise, the hospital asked her to take an HIV test. As it happened, the hospital was short of HIV test kits and her surgery was held up.
वहाँ पे टेस्टिंग नहीं हो रहा है और टेस्टिंग की वजह से टेस्टिंग नहीं होता है, इसके लिए मेरा ऑपरेशन नहीं हो रहा है।
ऑपरेशन किस बात का है?
मेरे कान का सर्जरी करना है।
The practice of HIV testing, even when it's not needed, has become rampant in public hospitals in Mumbai. This blanket consent form, practically allowing the hospital to perform any procedure, is used as consent for HIV test.
In Bombay, what is happening that patients are being tested left, right and center without giving them the idea, without taking their consent.
The guidelines say tests can only be performed after written consent and counseling on HIV/AIDS.
And suppose by chance, if you tell the patient that you are HIV positive, for which he is not prepared, there can be serious repercussions. He can go into depression, he can become violent, or he may attempt suicide.
But many say that doctors get the test done in order to protect themselves, and in many cases refuse treatment if the person is found positive. This too is against guidelines which say that testing to protect medical staff is not scientific nor ethical. Such blanket mandatory testing serves no purpose in controlling AIDS in India, believe experts, and could actually have contributed to the current shortage of HIV test kits. With Prerna Thakur Desai in Mumbai, Prachi Zavdekar Wagh for NDTV.